Do you frequently have to do repetitive tasks like this one? This range has to be formatted into a table with slicers. It's 24 steps, and they have to be done every day. Make it easy on yourself. Make it one step with a macro, like this one. Check it out. Run your macro, and bam! There you have it. 24 steps turned into one step. That's a macro, a recording of a series of steps and actions that you can play back as many times as you want. Join us this Wednesday, June 24th, and learn how to record a macro. And remember, don't get mad, get skills. See you then.